guys, today I'll be going to unbox the all new iPhone 12 Pro Max 512 GB. So here we have the box. As you can see, 6.7 inches, too big from the earlier model, and it doesn't get adapter, the fast 20-volt adapter, it doesn't get it. And the cable we get is USB Type-C to Lightning cable. Here you can see the MRP 1,59,900 rupees. Capacity 512 GB. Here's the model written here, iPhone 12 Pro Max Gold 512 GB. It got 12 MP camera setup, wide angle, ultra wide angle and telephoto lens, which is 2.5x, and a front facing camera, 2 depth camera, that is also 12 MP. So let's unbox this thing. So here we get the box. As you can see this thing. So let's open this. Here we get the phone. So as you can see, the gold color, it looks slightly lighter than the iPhone XS or the 11 gold color. I will show you that also. Here you get the LiDAR sensor with 3 cameras, that is wide angle, ultra wide angle and depth camera 2.5x, and a quad tone flash, LiDAR sensor and a mic here. So here you can see the comparison between both the colors of the XS and the 12 Pro Max. This is slightly lighter color. Let's see the bezels here. Heavier feel than the XS, of course. As you can see the bezels, compare. You can see this screen protection white color here. Let's unbox this. So let's keep it here. This is the phone. As you can see, the feel definitely feels more premium than the XS. Okay, let's turn it on. Okay, here we get one Type-C to Lightning cable. As you can see, this cable here, no adapter. You have to buy it separately for 1,900 rupees. Here are some manuals. As you can see, one Apple sticker here. Let's keep it back. Okay, the phone is switched on here. Let's see the first impressions. Okay, it seems too big. So let's select the English option. Let's go to more countries, India. The screen is 60 Hz. It's not getting 120 Hz due to some battery issues. Apple is not giving us 120 Hz. So let's turn it on. Okay, let me connect to the Wi-Fi. You can see the bezels. These are like the iPhone 4, 4S, 5, 5S and SE. They are no longer round. This is definitely giving us a premium feel. And a complete straight screen here. As you can see, the older one has the round bezels. You can see the comparison. The size wise also, from XS you can see here. As you can see, this is too bigger. So let's boot it up. I'm feeling this too heavy for my XS. Here's the power button as the old one, volume rockers, switch for silent and your rotation, lightning port here, speakers, SIM trays. Here is the SIM tray. These are the 5G antennas. Now they are giving us the 5G technology. 2 more antennas here. Okay, let's start it up. Set up later. Passcode, okay. Use anyway. Okay. Don't transfer. Let's have to agree the terms and conditions without just reading it. It's starting up, as you can see here. The color is also good, a decent color. Bezels are a little chunky here, as you can see. I got it on the first day of the launch. the sensor, the wide angle lens and ultra wide angle lens, and telephoto lens is 2.5x, and it also got a better optical image stabilization in video recording, that is called sensor shift, there from the iPhone 12 Pro. Okay, let's put the passcode on. Continue. Setup later. Don't share. Continue. Standard. Okay, so here we got this. Definitely a little smoother than my XS. Okay, let's see the camera here. Okay, here you got the 2.5x, the wide angle, as you can see this thing here, 2.5x. Okay, as you can see this wide angle also, you can see this here. This is the normal lens, portrait mode. We can use it in 2.5x and 1x both here now. Panorama mode, all the lenses are there. Video here, let's see the video settings. 4K HD 60 fps. Okay, let's see 4K 60 fps. Yeah, it is supported here. Okay, so here also 2.5x zoom, wide angle. Let's see the slow motion. All the lenses allowed to use 240 pixels. Okay, 240 fps here you can see. Let's see other things here. What we got, the version of the iPhone. Yeah, 14.1 updated. I have to do it to 14.2, the latest available out there. Okay, so let's see some new wallpapers out there. Okay, this is a new wallpaper for the gold phone. Let's add it to both the screens. Okay, let's see the feel. Yeah, this is the wallpaper for the golden phone. So guys, for a proper speed test of this phone versus my XS, the 5G versus 4G phone, Wi-Fi speeds, the router, Wi-Fi speed from the router, and normal 4G speeds on the SIMs, the signals, and for proper camera test, low light test, and everything else will be out soon on my channel. And for that, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon. So bye, peace.